Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, LED headlights, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.